I gave you my heart.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla. If you're returning here, hi, how you doing? If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our crew. So, my neighbor got her Ipsy Ultimate and she is letting me borrow it so I can unbox it for you guys and show you what she got. Let's see if the Ipsy Ultimate is really worth it. Okay, so undid it. Let me open it up. It says discover yourself and has like an orange little puffer thing in here. And there is all kinds of goodies in here. I thought it would be a little bit more full, but there it is. Alrighty, where is the little thingy? Don't forget the choice is yours. It's time to get personalized. On October 23rd, you get to choose one of your Glam Bag Ultimate products and then using your Ipsy Match technology. Using our Ipsy Match technology will build the rest of your bag to complement your choice. That's pretty cool. One thing I do remember about this box is there is no prices. So after I film this video, I'm going to look up every product and try to insert prices somewhere on the screen. So, let's start off with the bag. Bitty boop with this cute little, it's like a metal heart. Normally they do little plastic ones. And then there's these sequins on the back that you can flip over. It doesn't change colors really, so I don't know what the point of that is. And then it's red inside, and then it says Bitty Boop and Ipsy. That's cute. It's like a nice little satin feeling inside. Going on the Bitty Boop theme. Is there anything in here about the bag? I don't think there would be. No. So going with the Bitty Boop theme, we have the Bitty Boop Ipsy Cheek to Cheek blush palette. So this is what the packaging looks like. That's so cute. Let's get this open. Oh my gosh. The most adorable packaging. Open. Okay, so it comes with the protector. Here's the colors. Sorry, it's kind of dark in here without the sunlight. But let's just swatch them real quick. Oh, those feel nice, but I don't see much product coming off of it. Okay, the highlight was kind of hard to get anything off of, so. Oh, it's kind of like has a shift to it. Like a pinkish shift. And then the blush has some sparkle to it as well. And then there's like a peach tone. Oh, see, that is like super hard to see. Let me see if I can't swatch them a little bit better somewhere else. Last one feels nice. Did anybody else get this palette? Because okay, so it shows up a little bit better there. But that was really hard to even get it to show up on my hand, like really rubbing it in. So, there is that. This Peachy Skin Smoothing Blush and Highlighter Trio mixes ultra blendable matte and pearlescent finishes for a lit from the within glow. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like their formula on this because it was like really hard to get it to show up. That was weird. Can't get the box to close again, so. Then I'm just gonna grab one. There is a lemon verbena clay mask from iBalm. Looks like that. It's quite tiny. So I think this is one of the deluxe sample sizes. And made with skin brightening lemon, verbena, rice, and red bean, this clay mask removes impurities, controls excess sebum, fights inflammation, and gently exfoliates to reveal glowing skin beneath. That's cool. See if it has a smell. Oh, it's got a safety seal. That's good. No, doesn't really have any smell to it. Oh, there it is. That's like a really, really, really subtle, like, you can barely smell it, and I can't even really tell you what the scent is. It's just really subtle. There's that. And this is from Pure Lease. It's a matcha green tea antioxidant priming moisturizer. Lightweight. I'm sorry, you guys. I just got off work. It is 11:15 at night. But I did want to film this for you guys really quick so we can see if $50 is worth it, which, looking in this box, I'm kind of iffy on it, really. I love getting my boxy looks. I feel like that is always worth it. That packaging is adorable. Cute. I really am not liking that there isn't prices on here. Lightweight, oil-free moisturizer, prep skin for makeup application. Green tea helps protect from fine lines and wrinkles, while white tea, vitamin E, and French marine plants help retain moisture, so your skin looks dewy and radiant. What does it smell like? Oh, I kind of feel bad for taking off all of her safety seals. She did say I could try everything out, so that's good. Pop that safety seal back on there. That smells good, like essential oil type of smell. I like that one. Okie dokie. And then there is a serum, moisturizing and enhancing. Where are you at? There it is. Biorace Leu Hydrating Treatment Serum. This intensive hydrating serum by Biorace locks in moisture and keeps your skin soft and supple. Ideal for all skin types. It enhances your complexion instantly and can be applied to the entire face after cleansing. Well, I haven't cleansed, but I am going to try a little bit on my face. This packaging, though, you guys. Oh, that looks elegant. It's cute. Try a little bit on my arm, I guess. Pump, 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 pump. Oh. That is cute. I like that packaging a lot. Oh, a little bit goes a long way. I don't know what scent that is, but it kind of reminds me of a dentist's office. Oh, and it sinks in really quick, too. And it's not sticky at all. I like that. That's cool. Oh, what is this? Unicorn Glow Hydrating Primer. Lock colored. This fun-loving brand features artful packaging and smart formulas using hydrolyzed collagen. This gel-like primer gives your skin a major moisture boost to create a smooth canvas for long-lasting makeup. Oh, it's upside down. Is it? There we go. Unicorn Glow. Let's see. Safety seal. What is that smell? I love smelling it. So, I cannot explain the scent of that. I don't know, but that's cool. It's tiny. Itty. Like, little. I will look up prices, I promise, and I'll put them on the screen. Oh, this is from Color.I. I've always wanted to try a Color.I eyeshadow. Colored Rain Cosmetics eyeshadow in Champagne Life. It's velvety smooth and vegan. Let me open it. Look at this packaging though. That's adorable. Oh, this video is getting kind of long. Speed it up, Kyla. Okay. Oliver, you can't have that. My cat's trying to take away her Betty Boop bag. Okay, so that's the packaging on that one. I don't know why I smelled that, but I did, and it doesn't smell like anything. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, I like that. Look at that. Shiny. Bam. Bam. Oh, bam. That's nice. I like that a lot. I've heard a lot about Color.I too. I'll have to look up. Well, I'm definitely going to look up the price of this. That's little on their website. And if it's not that expensive, I might be getting some new eyeshadow. Okay, so I've heard a lot about people getting these. $50. I don't know. This is from the Sahim Natural Avocado and Shea Butter Mask Sheet Masks. And yeah, it's just one per package, so I'll look up the price on these as well. What is this one? That's cool packaging. A new generation of beautiful Reflect lip gloss. What? Sieste Moi Beauty Reflect lip gloss in opulence that you bring you is the purest definition of beauty, enriched with a blend of natural and organic oils. This nourishing lip gloss delivers a subtle, everyday shimmer and a whole lot of shine with zero stickiness. I will be the judge of that. Alrighty. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Just look at those little shiny diamonds. Oh, it's kind of separated though right there. Open. So there's the doe foot on it. And where am I going to put this? Bam. Lip glossy. Doesn't have a smell. Always makes me sad when they don't have a smell. Well, it does have a little bit of stickiness, but I think that's because it's just still wet. I'll look up the price on that one as well. And then, oh, this is the perfume. Nanette Lepore Beautiful Times. This fashion guru's fragrance are inspired by her bohemian design. Oh my gosh, why? So this is the packaging on it, and this is the size of it. Okay. It doesn't smell bad. That's nice, but it's a little perfume. So, okay. Alrighty then. I'll have to write down the size of all these and the names. Alright. This one. Pharmacy Green Clean. Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm packed with farm-grown ingredients like sunflower and ginger root oils. Papaya extract. Oh, it comes with a little spoon. Oops, I dropped the little spoon. I don't want to dig into this because this is our cleansing balm, but I mean, it's a pretty decent size. smells good. Smells lovely. Okay, let's just put a little spoon back there. There we go. Alrighty. And I'll look up that. I'll put it back on correctly. Bam. That's cute packaging. Terrible. Alright. This is Real Her. I've heard of this. I Feel Beautiful eyeshadow palette. Father created this brand for his daughter. Does it get any cuter than that? This palette features 9 shades of soft neutrals and warm and cool tones. Well, she did say I could open stuff, so let's just open it up. Feels weird unboxing somebody else's box and opening it and testing it out, but she's so awesome. We are subscription box buddies. I'm really excited to see what she got for her Boxycharm. So, I just want to open it. This is what happens when I get tired. I throw fits. Paraben-free, vegan, certified cruelty-free, long-wearing, natural ingredient, sulfate-free. Thank you. We here at Real Her donate a part of our proceeds to nonprofit organizations that help advance the lives of women and girls through scholarship programs, leadership, advocacy, education, and research here in the U.S. Here's the palette. Ooh, 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 ooh. That's pretty. Alrighty. Not really colors I would use on a daily basis, but there they are. I'm not going to swatch those ones, but okay. Perfect, flawless, incomparable, gorgeous, stunning, impeccable, enchanting, alluring, and divine. Looks like there's 5 shimmer shades and 4 mattes. Okey-dokey. Oh, this video's gotten long. Last item is from Fair Brushes. Oh, those are cool handles. Got little divots right here. You can place your fingers. That. Oh, those are pretty dense. It's pretty nice. And, oh, you're not going to be able to see. There's like a blue tint on top. That's pretty nice. I like that. Go down. Got a little flat top brush. I think it just got smushed from being in packaging. So it's like a round, flat top brush. It's pretty dense, honestly. It's so soft. Those are nice. Ah, jelly. That's super soft. Okay. Fair brushing coming up for the win. Nice. Alright, again, I will look up prices on these and leave them on there. I'm sure I've said that like 50 times this video. I'm tired, you guys. I'm sorry. So that was the Ipsy Ultimate. What do you guys think? Is that worth $50? I mean, you do get a lot of products in here, but sheet masks? I don't know about that. And also I wanted to remind everybody that I have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on. I'll leave an end card here with the link to the video. It's my Boxycharm unboxing video. You can go over there, comment on it as many times as you like. The more times you comment, the greater chance you have of winning. And that is all I have for you guys today until my Ipsy glam bag comes in the mail. So, and also if you guys could leave me a comment down below letting me know if you would like to see Ipsy glam bag, Ipsy Plus, and Ipsy Ultimate spoilers on the channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.